Hello and welcome to Psychic Temples. This is Karishma Shetty here with your 2022 predictions. I hope you are equally excited as I am because this year is going to be a transformational year for each one of us. New beginnings and all the learnings that we've had for the last 2 years are going to finally be coming to use. Let's see what we have in store for Aries. Aries, 2022, you are going to be planning a lot of things, majorly long term goals. People who were your teammates will no longer be playing along with you. You will see that around the mid of April, there's going to be a sudden change that will come, and you're suddenly going to plan about things that will have long term profitable goals. There were a lot of wrong people trying to control your life, your actions, your deeds. Now, finally, this year, you will make all your decisions all by yourself. If you are from a field of science and technology, you will see everything suddenly working in your favor, or you may suddenly have new projects coming up related to science and technology, which you will take up and plan new business along with it. The first quarter of the year, that is till April, you might find things to be a little slow because of Mercury placements in your chart. Post that, you will see that life has suddenly taken a new turn and you're moving forward with multiple pace and absolute ease. If you are planning that you want to travel abroad or you want to take a long trip or move your country, this is the year where it will happen finally. In the month of April, again, you're going to have a little bit of issues related to health, physically, mentally, emotionally, in all possible ways. I would request you to concentrate on your health during the main time of April. Around 15 to 22nd is the most crucial time in April for you. Love is something which is going to be on the air. You will suddenly see that you have developed a romantic relationship this year. If you're single, you will get committed. If you're looking for a relationship, you will have one. If you have something that was wrong with your partner currently, you will see it is all resolved. This year, you have an amazing outcome waiting for you. Taurus, if you are in the sector of art and entertainment, this is the year for you. You're suddenly going to have a boom in your career. You will see that you won't have to put any effort into doing anything. You will suddenly have all sorts of gains coming your way, new opportunities, everything moving in your favor. You won't understand how to pace up with it. But Saturn is somehow going to play a little role in your life where you can go ahead and make sure you can correct it. Not by going to a Saturn temple, that's Shani temple, or by going ahead and avoiding black and blue, but simply going ahead and dipping your legs into rock salt water and walking in an 8 direction in any garden 9 times, and you will see that all the issues for this year are suddenly coming to an end. If you ever face a little emotional issue, health issue, financial issue, this is going to be your remedy for this year. There will be a possibility that you will change a job, or you will get bored or won't want monotony anymore in your life. There will be drastic changes that will happen, but you will choose and decide everything very wisely. You will start listening to people more, but not getting influenced. You will suddenly see that you're only and only focusing and concentrating on your own inner self, your inner wisdom, and you will not take everybody's suggestion and advice. You will listen, but you're going to make your own decisions. You will see this unfold immediately as soon as the year starts. The second half of the year is the year where you're going to concentrate. It's going to be like a separate new year altogether. You will concentrate on friendships, relationships, new goals, new projects all over again. Not that you will get discouraged from the first half, just that because of the first half, you're going to have sudden encouragement that is coming your way. You will double your year up. Maybe you missed out these 2 years on a lot of things, and suddenly you will pace up this year and achieve everything. You will see that everything is turning in your favor without even knowing why. This year, you only have to focus on yourself. Emotional health is going to be something that will be very strongly affected. So, don't forget the remedy I've given you, and that will work everything else out. Gemini, if you are into tourism, you're going to be doing very well. Anything related to travel, you'll do very well. If you're staying out of your birthplace, you will be doing very well. Suddenly, you will see the contracts that you're having, the collaborations that you're having, the things that you have been planning, everything is moving to a different country altogether, or it will move towards a city which is covered by water. You will see there's going to be a lot of travel involvement in your year. Sudden plans is what is going to work for you. You will not be able to plan something straight head on. All your plans are suddenly going to keep changing. So I would personally recommend you not to plan something far off or a long term thing. Just wait for time to decide what is meant for you. You will see that somewhere around Feb 20th, you're going to develop a spiritual side. You'll focus on your learnings, you're going to focus on your growth, you're going to focus on everything that is coming your way, but with a learning of self. You're going to have a lot of self development here. You're going to focus on a lot of yourself. You will come in contact with a lot of media, communication, and PR related people who will help you develop your skills of public interest, and you will see that you're speaking it out, standing up for yourself, and making a new change in your life. There can be a phase in your life somewhere in the month of September where a person in your life who's your colleague, a friend, a relationship partner, a partner at work, who will create a little hassles related to a lot of demand. You will not be able to meet up to their expectations, but I personally would recommend you at that point in time to ignore everything, as it is going to be a phase, and that energy you can put in your work and you will see things moving in a better direction. You can also specifically this year get yourself an astrological chart checked so that you can have a better insight towards life. This is the time when you might just need some guidance for yourself, or all the other things are going to be falling in place for you. Cancer, I hate to say this right now, but in the beginning of the year, I'm going to let you know that you're going to have a lot of financial challenges. This year, you're going to try to focus on emotions, relationship, career, all possible ways. But because you're going to have financial challenges, you're going to see that you're getting demotivated constantly. You would need spiritual guidance. You would need help from people. You need friends. But you're going to stop yourself from taking that help. Please don't do that to yourself. It is very important that you ask for help, keep talking to people, keep trying to reaching out, and then you will see things are moving in your favor. Around April, you may have a sudden financial expense that you will have, which was unexpected, probably not because of you, but because of a family member, a friend who will need money. You will give that thing away and you will have trouble. Every time the situation will keep on repeating in the year, you may not get stuck in the financial challenges that you're going to face, but you will not be able to save up enough for anything or everything that you would want to do. Do not start with any partnership, new ventures, or any new commitments this year. If possible, push it for the next year. Everything can wait, because right now your focus is supposed to be your mental health. You should also take up a term plan and a medical insurance, because that will be taking care of a lot of more things for you and release a lot of burden from your head. If there is a foreign collaboration that comes up for you, you should take it up, and please move into a country which is around 3.5 hours ahead or behind of us. You will see a drastic change because of that reason. You will also go forward and learn new skills related to writing, orating, or maybe something absolutely opposite from the field that you're in. This is all for now. If you want my help and guidance, know I'm just a call away. Leo, this year you're going to have a lot of foreign travels. You're going to see that you're enjoying yourself, happy and financially absolutely stable. If you're looking out for a committed relationship, marriage, you're going to see that it's actually working in your favor without putting efforts. You're going to have too many relationship offers coming your way. Not offers, actually, commitment. People would want to give you their commitment, their word, and live up to it. They would want to spend their life with you. This year, majorly, you're going to enjoy emotional stability, financial stability, and a lot of new opportunities coming your way. There will be a lot of lending and borrowing coming your way. Without stress, you're going to receive your money. Without stress, you're going to be giving your money, and you will see everything is changing and benefiting only and only you. This is a year where you're going to be able to take a lot of risks, and all the risks are going to multiply into opportunities, and multiplying opportunities will convert everything into success for you this year. There is also a possibility of an amazing job coming your way. Also an opportunity which is going to make sure that you have some new residential change. You may buy a property, you may get committed, you may go ahead and also have a new financial gain that will happen without even you expecting it. and not for 1 month. Throughout the year, you're going to consistently see this happening to you. So happy to know this, and I hope Scorpions have the same year ahead. Bye guys. Virgo, this is a time when you're going to concentrate on clearing of your debts. If you're working under someone, this is not the year which is going to favor you. You would want to start a business of your own. You would want to start something that you do independently. You will focus on plans. But somewhere in the second half of the year, your plans will work out. So your main aim, your main focus will suddenly become relationships. But personally, those relationships will also face a little delays. All you can do is keep a lot of patience. Lower abdomen issues is something that you're going to constantly face this year. It will be very important for you to focus on a new regime, new plan, new diet, new exercise, and focus on your physical health. Mentally, you will feel yourself or find yourself to be amazing and strong, but you are going to face a lot of inflexibility, emotional downs. You will not relate to it directly, but due to your inflexibility, people around you will start getting affected. You will also see that people in your group or around you are finding you to be very, very dominating. There will be an opportunity in the end of the year where you may just be able to move towards abroad or change your city or your country, and you will see that you'll deny it. But I would want you to rethink, refocus, reanalyze, and choose this opportunity, because it's going to benefit you not this year but next year. There are a few big payments that will come your way. Do not waste that money. Plan it very wisely and use it to clear all the debts you've created in the last 2 years. You will see that will unburden you, and you will have a new focus and a new energy towards growing towards life. Libra, this year, just like your star sign, you're going to try to maintain a big balance in your life, which you've been failing at multiple times. Now suddenly there are going to be financial decisions that are going to not favor you. But remember, from March, all of this will come to an end. You will make balance, you will make decisions which will better off yourself and people around you. This time you have to focus on a physical health routine that you will have to get into. Your main target is to get into a cycle which you've been avoiding for a very long time. You may have to face monotony from the month of June, which you may dislike. Trips and travels might just end up getting cancelled. You might have to go to work or stay home more often. You will have food habits which may just cause a lot of stomach or digestion related issues. To be very precise, you may have diarrhea, and you may have a stomach upset, or you may have constipation constantly all throughout the year. So it is very important for you to know and focus on what you eat, why you eat. This year you have to get into a process of thoughtful eating. You will concentrate on everything and anything related to your body, mind and soul. Start meditating this year, because you're going to feel very claustrophobic, choked, feeling that nobody is understanding me. You will start craving about a lot of issues. Don't let all of this affect your career, because career wise you will see you're going to be pushed into a direction of a lot of opportunities, a lot of responsibilities, but all of it will pay you off very well. Right now, I would want you to analyze and make a plan for the entire year. Write the plan in fulfill tense, and you will see that by the end of the year, all the plans are actually fulfilled. And you'll know how much hard work, how much effort, how much love, how much dedication you put into everything. And you will realize you've done your best. But whenever you feel low, look back at where you've reached today. It's all because of your own hard work, your experiences, your pain and your sufferings that you put into becoming this strong person. Don't push yourself down. Rethink and reignite the fire inside you. Scorpions, this is a time where you're going to make a lot of family decisions. Also, if you're single, you're going to find like-minded people. You will want or have a desperate need to get into a relationship. But the year is not meant for any promises. This is a year where it is meant for you to make a lot of financial new ventures. New opportunities are going to come your way without putting any efforts. There's going to be a social or entertainment space which is going to suddenly give you gains. You will see that you finally find a balance between home, family, and financial success. This year, you will focus on anything and everything but only earn and earn money out of it. So, this time, you need to focus on prosperity, not money, health, or wealth, but everything together. You may have a change of residence, country, city, home, work, but all in your favor. After the mid of April, you will see that you have no time for yourself, and suddenly everybody wants to be around, get more time out of you, get more space out of you, and you will see nothing is working. You will feel a little doomed down because of the emotional variations that you'll keep on having with people around you. They would want your time, energy, effort, and a little bit more from you all the time. Do not get stretched between social life and family life, because this time you have to focus on your career, new ventures, and opportunities, because this may just lead to a 1 decade new phase in your life. You may be able to create something so big, so vast, that it will be unchangeable. So put all your energy and your focus into new beginnings instead of focusing on what is gone by. You will see things changing. A few people you come across with, you'll hold their hands and take them forward as if there is no tomorrow. Concentrate on making, meeting, and creating new people in your life so that you find what is going to last with you for a decade. Do not make promises. Do not believe in forevers and always. Create every day. Sagittarius, this is going to be a complex family time for you. You're going to build a home, a house, or rekindle with your old loved ones, family members, or pals. You're going to consistently keep on meeting from your past, people from your past, and also rejuvenating yourself. Work-wise, you will be on a very fast-paced zone. You will save up a lot of money this year. A lot of elderly people might have concerns related to your lifestyle, the way you're putting up things, the way you're focusing on life, the way you want to live. Suddenly, you will see people's attention is all over you. Relocation plans may come up, but it is not going to last for a long time. This year, your focus is going to be complex family decisions, sudden meetings related to family, emotional transformations, meeting up with old pals. Communication skills will develop very, very suddenly. You will see yourself communicating with more ease. Also, there is going to be a phase where you're going to be getting into writing and editing. This is something that all Sagittarians will be facing this year. So do not go ahead and hesitate, because this is going to add up to every little opportunity that comes your way. Do not let anybody hamper you. Be more self-aware and get into a lot of writing, because you will see that change your life. So don't waste your time anymore and start writing right now. Capricorns, if you are into counseling, media, or anything related to teaching, this is the year for you. There's no stopping. There are going to be a lot of arguments that you will face with siblings or sibling likes. So do not let those arguments put you down. There's going to be a lot of learning and a lot of courses that you will take up. There's a lot of opportunities coming your way. Financially, it's going to be a very amazing year. You will start balancing things out. You'll see yourself, your finances multiplying. New projects coming up regularly. You will not take up long projects, but you're going to focus on short-term projects, and you will be able to achieve them with a lot of ease. Something that will go ahead and change your life will happen this year. You will be playing a very major part in that event, and the focus that you get on that event, or the attention that you get in that event, will suddenly change your life for good. You will be supporting, helping, and being there for people without them knowing about it. You will see yourself rising above all the complicated issues, arguments, everything, but from 15th of January. You may end up going ahead and getting into the speculation market. The world may earn out of you, but you will see yourself going down in the month of April. So please be careful, and only then try to put your money into any form of speculation. There will be a minor physical issue related to any part of your body below your waist. So please go ahead and concentrate on it. And you will see that once you focus on resolving issues, your issues will start getting resolving on its own. Aquarians, your personal life and professional life will suddenly feel all mixed up. This point in time, till the first quarter of the year, you're going to feel that you're being stretched in too many directions. Take help, take therapy, take guidance, take spiritual awareness. Whatever helps you, try helping yourself in this phase. Very important for you to focus on your emotions and mental health. You may have to take very major decisions related to what priorities you want to set, what is important for you, and how personal do you want your personal life to be. This year, you may also have to focus and concentrate on your financial gains, as you may have more expenses than what you earn. You will see that sudden expenses will ruin your plans for savings. Do not go ahead and do that, as there are going to be rainy days this year. There will be a lot of people who will try to make you feel worthless. Do not let that put you down. There's going to be people, colleagues, and fake friends all around you. Focus on yourself, rebuild yourself, and join some spiritual group. And you will see that things are suddenly moving in your favor. If you need help, you can always contact us. And we also have free sessions going on. You can join that group, because this entire year you may need it the most. Pisces, this year you're going to get a lot of fame. But you have to remember, if you're getting a little defamed or being a part of a lot of controversial issues, you may be famous. All the fame will add to a lot of growth. But immediately when you have something like that, you may feel bugged down. You may not want people to talk to you. You may not want to go ahead and face people. Sudden confidential issues are going to be public issues. And you will see that you don't want that sort of an attention. You will have to keep yourself away from getting affected by anybody or everybody, or getting affected by anyone's words this year. You will focus on a lot of work this year. Try being a workaholic. If you're at home, start meditating a lot, and you will see that your mental health is changing into a better space. There's going to be certain responsibilities that you may not want but will have to take. So it is very important for you to accept your realities and start moving on with the issues that you have currently, only by accepting them, and not forcing yourself to change yourself or forcing your situation to change, because the only thing that you can do is wait for this phase to pass. And the second half of the year, you will see things moving in a much more smoother direction for you. New contracts, new offers and jobs, if you are going to take up, you need to focus on it and take it up a little more carefully. Do not go ahead and push yourself, because you may have a lot of emotional breakdowns. Do not share all your details with everybody, because once you start sharing it this year, you will see things are not working for you and instead falling apart. If you are in a relationship this year till the month of September, there's going to be a lot of difficulty, a lot of misunderstandings, and a lot of petty issues that will grow. Try to ignore them, meditate over them, or start taking therapy, guidance, or spiritual help for yourself. You will see everything else will start falling in place once you start believing in yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love and light from Karishma Shetty. If you want your personalized astrological charts checked or numerological profile made, right now we have great offers going on. You should approach us on Psychic Temples, and you will see every link in the description. Do not forget to check what life holds for you personally. Bye for now. Love and light.